Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, we are going to try the cheapest primer from Nykaa. Yes, this primer was very affordable. Like it's under 100 rupees. Like अगर आप उसको sale पे buy करोगे, it is under 100 rupees. And under 100 rupees का primer is actually very, how would I say this, cost effective. So it is this Insight का Light Hydrate Blur Prime and Perfect Hydrating Primer. So I have tried this. मैं इसको already try कर चुकी हूँ. And I have a verdict on it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. It's going to be a short, crisp video. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ लंबा चौड़ा होना नहीं वाला. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go. So this is how the primer looks like. Just look at the packaging. Definitely ये बहुत cheapest है. Obviously this is the cheapest primer that we have on Nykaa, but see the size is also very small. This is only 10 ml, which is very small as compared to so many primers out there. Like let me tell you, the primer that I have been using recently a lot is this one from Swiss Beauty. This is the Craze collection. This was a bougie ass primer for like 350-400 rupees. It was definitely costlier than a usual primer. Yeah, it was for 400 rupees, and this is actually 27 grams and this is I guess 10 grams. So you can see the difference, right? अगर उस comparison में देखो, this is 115 rupees for 10 ml. तो अगर मैंने इसको शायद I think 90 rupees में या 100 से कम में लिया था, if I'm not sure, I'll put the exact price over here. तो 10 ml for 90 rupees. Get to the work. My back was itching. So this is how it is, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a very tiny primer. Yeah, this is very tiny. So this is their Prime and Perfect Prime. Wait, let the camera focus. Prime and Perfect Hydrating Primer. Okay, Prime and Perfect Hydrating Primer. This is not a pore minimizing primer. This is definitely more for the hydration part. And let's see if it hydrates my soul. Let's see the consistency first. Oh, this looks like a cream though. Like it is baby blue in color, just like the packaging. बिल्कुल packaging जैसा ही color है इसका. I'm taking a very tiny amount first. Like इतना sufficient था? I'm pretty sure no. Like my it has a coconutty smell to it, but I definitely feel it is sort of like mattifying. Do you see? Because I definitely feel it sort of like mattified a little bit. और इतनी सी quantity enough नहीं है very clearly आपके face के लिए. It is thick. Okay, let me tell you this one thing. It is thick. It is not like your normal silicone primers. It is thick, creamy, textured. Like, this is different. I just hope for my oily skin this can work. Which I'm not very sure about. Just apply it. The fragrance is nice. Like, I don't think it is very overpowering. Like usually Indian brands के जो products होते हैं ना, skin makeup products, they do have a lot of fragrance. उस context में, if I am being honest, it isn't very fragrancy. Like this fragrance, I think people can work with, and I definitely feel it has like mattified a little bit. Did it hydrate? I definitely feel like my skin feels a little supple. It feels nice. But you know what? A primer is only good if the base makeup on top of it sits well. Okay, so we are going to try that. I think I will have to use a little bit of pore minimizing primer, otherwise अभी थोड़ी देर में मुझे बहुत पसीना आ जाएगा. So let's see how it works on top of other products. Let me finish my makeup completely clearly and then I'll get back to you. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, yeah, I have taken off all my makeup because let me tell you, it is such a bad day when it comes to garmi. Can you see how sweaty I am? Yeah, it is very sweaty today. It is bad weather today. Okay, I had to take off my makeup because it wasn't working. Things were not working. I'm just not feeling it today. Right now, this primer, as I told you, is a very thick primer, and because of that, person like me who is very oily, in this weather which is very hot, it definitely felt very heavy on my face. I could totally feel the sweat coming out of my face because it was really sitting heavy. So I think this type of primer would work really magic when it is dry as winter. You know, the season which is very dry and not very hot and humid. उस weather में I think for somebody who is oily और जो बहुत ज़्यादा sweaty हो जाते हैं, this is not for them. But this primer in winter, dry season, it would give you the perfect hydration because I saw the potential. I clearly saw the potential. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि even for oily skin person, if you are going for a hydrating primer, that primer shouldn't be very thick. It should be a little bit more, how should I say, like light. Like sugar का एक primer आता था which was very light and very hydrating, and it worked very well for my oily skin. This is not something that could work for my oily skin in any season whatsoever. So that is that one thing that you have to be careful about this primer. Otherwise, it is a good primer. Like I think I can make this work in certain seasons, not every time, not throughout the year. And yeah, now since because ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है, आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन रीजन व्हाई आई एम गिविंग इट अ थम्स अप, बिकॉज अगर ये महंगा होता और ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए 5 या 4 महीने में ही चलेगा साल में, तो मैं इसको बिल्कुल भी रिकमेंड नहीं करती. सो या दैट इज दैट. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I will link this product in the description box if you want to check out. Yeah, I'll meet you in the video guys. Bye bye.